Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will talk about Apple Pencil Note charging through case. Simple repair guide. Number 1. Verify case compatibility. Check if your iPad case support Apple Pencil charging. Review case detail. Look at the product description or packaging to confirm if the case is designed to allow Apple Pencil charging. Contact manufacturer. If unsure, contact the case manufacturer or visit their website to check compatibility. Number 2. Remove the iPad case. Test charging the Apple Pencil without the case. Detach the case carefully. Remove the iPad case to avoid damaging the device. Charging directly. Attach the Apple Pencil directly to the iPad's magnetic connector. If charging works, the case may be obstructing the connection. Number 3. Inspect for obstructions. Ensure no physical barrier or blocking the charging connection. Check the case, look for debris, dust, or effect near the Apple Pencil connection areas. Clean the surfaces. Use a soft, line free cloth to clean the edge of the iPad and the corresponding part of the case to remove potential obstructions. Number 4. Consider alternative cases. If the current case blocks charging, explore other options. Look for compatible cases. Search for iPad cases specifically designed to support Apple Pencil charging, such as those by OtterBox or STM. Read user reviews. Check reviews to confirm that the case allows charging as advertised. Number 5. Test another pencil. Determine if the issue lies with the Apple Pencil or the case. Borrow another Apple Pencil and attempt to charge it with the case on. If the second pencil charges successfully, your original pencil may have a hardware issue. Number 6. Restart your iPad. Restart the device to resolve any temporary software glitches. For Face ID models, hold the top and volume buttons until the power slider appears. Turn off and restart. Number 7. Update your iPod OS. Ensure the iPad is running the latest version of iPod OS. Go to Setting, Journal, Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and install. Keeping the software updated ensures compatibility and resolves unknown issues. Number 8. Contact Apple support. Seek professional assistance for persistent issues. Visit Apple support or schedule an appointment at an Apple store or authorized service provider. A professional evaluation can determine if the issue is with the Pencil iPad or the case. Thanks for watching.